and the under 17 girls 4x400m relay. In lane 8, that's the open unattached. In lane 7, Hurry Murray, open. On your mark. Set. Great start. This is a great start already out in front. That's the open women. That's unattached and Hurry Murray. And also the T-Bird Flyers running well. Those are the 3 open categories. Already Hurry Murray's out in front. Here comes the under 17. That's Redline Athletics. He's chasing down the open girls. It's Redline Athletics. Redline Athletics is looking strong. She's chasing down all the open girls. The open Masters girls. Here comes Redline Athletics, the under 17 girls running a great first leg. Here comes Redline Athletics. That's the under 17 girls. Redline Athletics looking good, looking strong. Redline Athletics.
Let's go, Tyler!
Here comes Redline. First exchange for Redline Athletics. First exchange coming up. This is the unattached team out in front. Here comes the open Hurry Murray. And T-Bird Flyers open as well on the backstretch. Running a great second leg. Back to the action. Here comes the open category females. That's the unattached team. We're in the University of the Bahamas Bingo's uniform, but it's the unattached team. That's Michael Bullard. Michael Bullard running a great second leg. Here they come. This is the unattached team. That's Michael Bullard running a great 400 meters. He's running the second leg. And she's going to hand it off to her teammate as Gage Major. And there they go. Here comes Hurry Murray. Hurry Murray, that's the open women. Here comes Sierra Delancey. Redline Athletics, under 17. T-Bird Flyers also running as well. That was the open category. T-Bird Flyers on the backstretch. There goes Tasha Mercury for Hurry Murray running well. Running a great third leg. Around the curve she comes. Here comes the unattached team. That's the University of the Bahamas Bingos running unattached. As Deja Major, here they come. Approaching the final exchange coming up. Final exchange coming up. Here's the unattached team. Final exchange. There goes the final exchange. Here comes the final exchange for Sierra Delancey, handing it off to Redline Athletics. That's Ariel Bodie running well. There goes Pratisha Kemp for Hurry Murray, the open category. Running well is open. Pratisha Kemp. And the under 17 girls, that's Ariel Bodie running well for Redline Athletics. About 200 meters remaining. Here they go. That's Hurry Murray, Pratisha Kemp. Final exchange coming up for T-Bird Flyers right here. But it's all Hurry Murray, the open category. And here comes the unattached team. We're in University of the Bahamas Bingos, and they will win the open women, open and masters. Here comes Murray finishing in second in the open category. A great final leg by Patricia Kemp. And this time a whole lot of challenge. Ariel Bodie, she's being kicked by Deborah Casey. Here comes Deborah Casey for the T-Bird Flyers open category. Coming from behind, finishing for the under 17 girls. That was Ariel Bodie. Still on the track. T-Bird Flyers. Under 17 girls, here she comes. She's going to cross the finish line.
Come on, Aaron.
Crossing the finish line. She's okay. Up next, the boys. 4x400 meter relay.